Hi everyone.
Yeah.
The fog has sort of cleared. We have been, we've been fogged in all night, all morning.
The last week.
Yeah. Everything outside was soaking wet. It was like it was raining, but it wasn't really raining. No, granted, rain is still worse, so it wasn't all that bad, but
Laundry's done.
laundry's done. The sun came out. The dogs have been walked. There's 2 dog parks here. By the way, we're at Jamaica Beach RV Park in Galveston on the island. And yeah, there's 2 dog parks, so I'm going to take these guys over to the bigger one here in a little bit. But this place is
It's pretty nice.
it's pretty nice. I mean, it's got shower, laundry facilities. It's got a pond you can fish in right there. It's got miniature golf, a few different pools, a lazy river, and beach access and bay
And
access.
you can watch the fish jump and the birds. Right there.
Yeah, crazy. It's cool though. And we've already met like 20 people. So many nice people just come by to say hi and look at our stuff. And we're looking at their stuff. But we're still here for 3 nights.
Yeah.
Just kicking back. Carrie made a great breakfast. We're gonna reheat last night's dinner for lunch.
Because I made a little bit too much.
Yeah, but it was chicken pepperoni, and you can't go wrong with that.
Make a little pasta.
That's the update right now. Until we venture on, we're gonna go to town here, I think tomorrow, and do some sightseeing and try to get some fishing in too. So can't wait.
Really nice. And if people say humidity's too much, I beg to differ.
And there's the pups chilling out.
The only problem we have had is the mosquitoes.
We got to get them alive those first few days. Oh well. We're using bug spray now. Can't do it all right. The fog had cleared and now it's come back. But then it's starting to clear again. So we decided to get inside our quick set clam.
Not sponsored.
No, not sponsored. But it is pretty handy. And it pops up in like a minute. We can get this thing up in a minute or 2. Super nice. There's the ceiling, the roof. It works out. It's not all that windy. This thing is not that good in the wind, in a really hard wind. Otherwise, it's great. But we've got puppies in here chilling out. They got their exercise. They got to run a few times. They just ate. And someone's getting his lap time. Well, this is night 2. We got 2 more nights after this. And then you just wait. We'll show you. Yep. Guess Cat likes the new water bottle, huh?
Yeah, he loves it. There was a nose barely fits in it.
What's it called? Has it got a name?
It's in one of our links. I'd have to look it up on our link to give you.
So kind of cool. You push a button
And it locks too, so you can lock it, let the water out,
that's cool.
and then lock it back up so it doesn't accidentally leak on you.
Hot dog. Well, check this out. It's kind of a cool thing. Hanging bench right here. Raised up high, I guess. If it floods, at least it's sort of out of the water. This is Bayside off of Jamaica Beach, and I just saw a fish jump really close to shore.
On mine?
Got him.
Ah! Woohoo! Oh, look at that. Oh, it does have a
tooth. Crazy, huh?
That's, it's got a fang.
Oh, predator. All right, I gotta get that.
Yep. It has one fang.
One thing we don't want the fangs over there. It's like, oh, what is that?
What a great day.
Beautiful.
He needs some shade. Come on. Come on. They're right behind you. You need to make sure that they're still there. Come on. Okay. Come on. Cat. He wants to play. Cat.
Through the gate.
Yep.
Next to the cow patty.
Didn't open that way very well.
Okay, reach around and lock it up because it doesn't matter what the cows say. Lots of new builds going on after the last hurricane, I guess. Hurricane Ike, was it? I'll have to double check, but man, there are some cool houses that they're building. I mean, look at that. It's just awesome looking. And it's right on the beach, literally. And this guy right here, so this is your backyard, this lawn, all the way to the road. And your house is right on the beach. Pretty cool. This is the beach access that they offer for the RV park we're staying in. Gotta tell you, it's not bad.
Just had a long day with fishing and driving around, sightseeing, trying to do the easy dinner.
Awesome day. We finally got real good sunshine.
Yeah, I got a little bit of a sunburn today.
And in the bag is red pepper flakes, garlic, olive oil. What else?
Kosher salt, pepper. What'd you say was in there? It wasn't what's in there. That was
Red
what
pepper
you said.
flakes, garlic, olive oil.
Yes.
Which is going to be the bath for the chicken.
And then we'll get started on the risotto.
Risotto, that's Italian for fancy rice.
Okay. Ooh, smell that.
I made that up.
I guess I'm downwind.
I got it. It smells great. Gotta love that. And she smashed it with the
Coffee grinder.
coffee grinder, which seemed to do okay. Now we have a evenly spaced flat chicken, which will cook evenly.
I need to turn it up. There's quite a breeze going. Which is actually kind of nice.
That looks good.
Yeah, so we're gonna make a chicken breast, slice it up, and put it on top of risotto for dinner tonight.
So you just added vermouth
Mm-hmm.
because what have we said before? You're not a real camper
Unless
unless
you carry vermouth.
yeah. I mean, you have to have a bottle of vermouth for your cooking needs. I mean, if you're making top ramen, what is it without vermouth? It's a no-brainer.
Oh! Hey! Cat!
Chicken broth
Yes.
going in. Do you slowly work all that in?
Cup and a half, depending. Hey, cat, sit. Cat. You gotta see. Cat. Hey. No, Sophie.
Sophie! No!
Lay down. Lay down.
You know why they don't like those Scotty dogs that go by? Because when I was a little kid,
That's the one that bit you in the ass?
yeah, I was literally
Lay down.
at my great grandmama's birthday in Canada, and a Scotty dog chased after me and bit me in the ass.
Because they know that.
There's no coming back from that.
So the nice thing about doing this camping is I don't have to keep stirring it. I can just shake it.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Now this mix though is really good, and it's nice to not have to have all the other stuff.
And Cat Stevens,
I'm
Will
so
be-
tired.
he'll be
He can hardly keep his eyes open.
so happy.
It's been a long day.
A long good day, not a long bad day. Good day. Good day.
He's
Good day all around.
Chicken's been marinating probably a good 45 minutes.
And away we go.
Smell that.
That's the sound you want. And the smell.
Yeah. Getting breezy.
So the risotto gets a little butter.
I do like this little cast iron pan. It's really nice. It works in the oven perfectly.
Yep. Yeah, you take away that long handle.
Yeah,
And it fits.
it fits on all the burners, everything.
Mhm.
I'm gonna say that's a winner.
How's that ice cube, boy?